right, new tank, ready to roll. New sender, ready to roll. Came with a new pickup sock. Everything here is correct in the right location. So it's gonna work really well. And this has the deflector too. All right, tank is assembled and looking good. Sending unit, new gasket, new hardware. It's $1 million. I'm gonna pop this baby in. New tank under the car. One thing I did notice on the old tank this was broken off of is this vent. Not only is there no hose for this in the car, it was also broken off on the old car. I have our hoses taped up so they're not gonna wedge and get in my way. So if I have to make a vent or figure it out, it's easy enough. But we have our two here, we got one here. You know, easy peasy. So we're gonna fight this pain in the ass up in here. I've already been fighting it once and it about killed me because it stabbed me in the hand with the point. It does not fit very well, I will say that. What a battle. This tank does not fit at all. Mainly because the welded flange on an OEM one, they're kind of crimped down. They're kind of done tighter. Well, these are kind of done cheaply in Taiwan, so it's all junk, which unfortunately most aftermarket Corvette stuff is. So being that it's junk, of course it takes more time, but the manufacturer doesn't care. It's not their problem. It's the installer's problem, which is mine. So, oh well. I'm at you know, swapping a gas tank on anything else takes like 45 minutes. At this point, just assembly and putting this in today, I'm at about 3.5 hours, maybe more. Mainly because it's so poorly made. Like, I'm surprised this thing hasn't just like fallen out, cracked me again. It's already done it twice. Of course, it never does it while it's rolling. So here's the OEM tank. Note how much smaller the crimped welded flange is in comparison to the one we're fighting in. This is like maybe 3/8 of an inch, and it's already folded down from the factory. Oh, the other one's like 3/4 of an inch, and it just sticks straight out. It's utter junk. Oh, so much fun fighting these tanks. Now I gotta get this thing to rotate, which it doesn't have room for. So this is the type of poor fitment that these aftermarket tanks have. I'm gonna pull it back out again. Ugh, kill me now. And I'm gonna probably end up taking like a hammer and dolly and trying to fold those seams up tighter, because this does not fit right at all.